Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox two amazing book sets which I have purchased from Amazon. So without further delay, let's begin. This might sound bit strange, but actually these two are my very first book set. Previously I haven't purchased any book set, so this time I got a very great deal, and also both the authors are my absolute favorite. After a pretty great struggle, I finally managed to open the packet. So as you all know that I am very bad in unboxing, so please forgive me. The first book set is by Agatha Christie. There are 3 books inside this set, and I have got this one in 401 rupees from Amazon. I have checked individually as well, like if you are going to purchase these 3 books individually, then also you have to pay more than 401 rupees. About the packaging, I can say that the outer box is a bit damaged, but inside all the books are safe and secured. Like, I can compromise a bit with the outer box, but I need all the books in a great conditions. The first one is Murder on the Orient Express. This book is one of the best book by Agatha Christie. The page quality is absolutely fantastic and it's perfect. Second book is And Then There Were None. This one is also another famous book by Agatha Christie, and I have heard a lot about this book, so first I'm going to read this one. Last one is The Murder of Roger Ackroyd. This one is also another famous book by Agatha Christie. So, and the page quality is also absolutely fine. Isn't it amazing to have these 3 amazing books just in 401 rupees? What say? So the next one is a big box. So the expectation is that there might be more books inside it. So let's see. And again, I'm here with my amazing unboxing skills. So please forgive me. After a decade of struggle, I finally managed to open the box set, and as you can see, it's Jane Austen's book set with 5 amazing books. I have also purchased this from Amazon, and the cost was 475 rupees. So this one is also another great deal which I found out during the sale season. About packaging, so this box set is also fine. Like, there are few damages, but it's very minor, so it's fine. And also the books inside this set is absolutely in great condition, so I'm very much happy with this box set. The first book is Persuasion. So this is the first time I am going to read this book, so I will try to create a short review once I finish reading these books, so that you can get a reference before purchasing any of this. Next is The Pride and Prejudice. So I have already read this book, but at that time I borrowed it from one of my friend, so I thought of purchase it to have it in my collection. So yeah, and all the outer covers of these books are absolutely pretty. Next is the famous Sense Sensibility. Fourth book of this book set is Mansfield Park. So this is another great novel by Jane Austen. Last but not the least, Emma. So this all are the books of this book set, and I found that this book set is more affordable than the Agatha Christie one, so I think this is a win for me. If you are wondering that how you have missed these deals, then the answer is you are not following me in my Instagram account. So my Instagram handle is Doodle Moments Official, and I do share this type of book deals whenever I get any. So don't forget to check my profile. Apart from these amazing book sets, I have also purchased 3 cute notebooks from inkmesilly.com. So you can check their Instagram profile to get the direct link of their website, and from there you can order notebooks, phone covers, mobile holders and many more things. They really have a great collection, especially cute collection of all these items. And also this video is not sponsored by Ink Me Silly. I just found out these things in a pretty great deal, so I thought of sharing this with all of you. I have purchased 2 plain notebooks and 1 green notebook, and this all are going to be in my 2021 planner. Page quality of these notebooks are pretty good, and also I have nothing to say about the outer covers. They are absolutely pretty and so cute. Look at the pastel colors and everything is amazing about these notebooks. And I have purchased all these 3 notebooks in 247 rupees. You can also check their website. They do have many different type of sales going on every time, so don't miss that. That's all for today's unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of videos, then do let me know in the comment section below. Then I will create more unboxing videos for all of you.